Welcome to our van life with our 4 chihuahuas, episode 63. We camped the weekend at Usal Beach with storyteller Overland friends and will navigate our way back down through washed out trails. Stay tuned and we thank you for joining us on our journey.
We are here at a very new spot to us. We have two of the dogs here with us on Usal Beach. It is very populated with off-roaders
And birds.
and pelicans, but it is a hard drive to get up here from Northern California. So we definitely had a couple bumps and bruises on the van.
We dented our
step
step,
on a big washout.
the running board.
Yeah, running board step up. When we first got here, it was super foggy and we considered camping here, but we had a couple of the vans get stuck, including we felt like we were stuck in the deep sand, but our all-wheel drive kicked in and got us out, so we didn't even have to dig out.
And it's nice to be able to have friends to do adventure stuff like this. So
Yeah.
we really appreciate the new friends that we've made, and we hope to make more friends and hope to continue being able to hang out with other van life adventures.
Yep, and so now we're gonna walk back to our campground, which is not too far off in the forest from the beach, and we're gonna get ready to have a potluck dinner. So we'll show you some of that, and we're gonna relax a little bit, crossing fingers we get out of here successfully tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be a hairy experience, so we'll see how that goes. I'll probably I don't know if I would stay in the van while you're trying to navigate that washout road. I'd probably be more comfortable not being inside the van, because they said that this washout road is right next to the cliff, and I get antsy every time we're driving and the road is too close to the edge of the cliff.
We should be okay. We're gonna spot each other with the other van owners, so we should be fine.
And we all have max tracks, so we'll see if we can make a bridge.
Yeah,
With that.
yep, we got some options.
Yeah. So
All right.
stay tuned for more, and we hope that you continue to join us in our journey, because we are learning a lot, and hope you also learn with us.
Yep. See you soon.
See you soon.
You think all these cars are setting themselves on fire?
It's true. Oh my gosh. How many more? Grocery stores everywhere.
Good morning from our van life. This is how we woke up. Yoda and Bail Organa slept in the back there. Took her out because she was crying. And then there's BobaFett, Sean, and Chewbacca. So this is what our camp looks like. We had a potluck last night, and it was a lot of delicious food. We gathered around the fire pit, had great conversations.
Outside on a Sunday at the beach. Our neighbors are jamming at about 9 a.m. So this is one thing that our friend Pete told us. It can get a little rowdy in this area because of the free camping, but wasn't too bad last night, to be honest. But I'm not minding. God, she wants to play.
potty. Go potty. Oh God. Go potty. There. Go potty. Go.
Here we go.
Okay, it's fine. We're leaving. Saying bye-bye camping. Bye-bye Usal Beach.
I noticed how close we were to that tree.
Hey Pete, what's the plan again? Sam, continue driving. Sean, continue driving. Raquel, try to pull behind Jay. Max, sorry, whoever's driving.
For the cars to get off the bridge.
Sinky One Wilderness State Park.
How many storytellers can that bridge hold?
Exactly. What's the weight limit? It's my question all the time.
I was asking how many storytellers can fit on that bridge?
Oh.
Yeah, let two at a time. Max, hold. Oh, yeah, you're good. Go.
Swamp girl.
I came up fast.
Yeah, I did.
Pretty impressive, like how the van is handling all the bumps and washouts.
This is a little baby washout.
Doing a quick little pit stop to switch drivers. We're testing out driving with a different suspension. Fun of single lane roads. Got a whole group of people behind us, but we got a nice view.
That was way better line. That got really bad. I'm a little worried. I'll check when I get there. Yeah.
I got nervous. I had to get up.
That's definitely. That was awesome.
We made it almost out of here and back onto the road. Yeah, I was nervous about that, like holding my breath waiting for that big
The big drop, yeah. We are done with Usal Road.
Job, everyone. Dun, 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 dun.
We're back airing the tires.
I don't want to break it.
What are you trying to get off?
This battery cover.
So the whole van did pretty well during the drive back down. Things shifted around. There were lots of creakings going on, but I think we did a pretty good job overall. One of the cabinets did pop open because I forgot to somehow push the lock in. But otherwise, everything is intact inside the van. And I put a towel in the GSS to minimize further movement since we didn't fill up the GSS. And this is our setup currently, so things didn't really move around, which I'm really happy about. This was swinging around a lot, and otherwise everything is okay.
Alright, away we go.
We're all done. Said bye to everybody, and now we are on our way home. And it's been such a fun adventure.